You just give reason. What is this? You don't know how to tackle your problem. You don't know how to tackle your situation. You don't know nothing. Just wearing that is not enough. We never encroach the border. We never used to shout such type of things. You continually doing all people. Whenever ऐसा नहीं होगा. अगर अभी देखो सुनो अभी आप
If the protocol we cannot really come here.
as a formalities अभी आप बिजी थे आप लोग का सब यहाँ का जितना घटना हुआ है आज तो रिपोर्ट करेगा as per formalities तो उसके बाद अगर आप बोल रहे हो कि हम मेरा बात नहीं सुना है फिर पब्लिक आ गया ये बोल सकेगा आप न्यूज में अभी रिकॉर्ड करो कि मेरा कंट्रोल में नहीं आया सब आ गया तो यू जस्ट गिव हमको कंट्रोल में नहीं आया तो वो चला गया तो हम लोग एक्शन लेगा विल टेक द एक्शन ऐसा नहीं है ना
Don't
Why you
go
cannot
outside.
control your own
Yesterday
people?
also
Why you cannot control your own people? Why you cannot control your own people?
I have control.
You think that this is your land?
See how many?
Everyone knows that this is
No, nobody is coming. Not see this is their own land.
It is
under block 2.
ऐसा कभी भी नहीं block 2 या block 1
Don't
doesn't
charge
matter.
me. I'm not
It doesn't
charge-
matter.
I'm
Whose
not charging
domain is
you.
it? ये कौन किसका है ये जमीन ये रास्ता किसका
I
है
don't
ये
know
पानी
because I
किसका है
didn't-
You have to know that.
You ask the government.
जो भी गवर्नमेंट जो ऐसे check them back capable of doing all this. How much you tolerate? Even they not doing this happen. You also know that from the very beginning it's continuous happening. From very beginning you also know that. आज तक हम कंटिन्यू 12-15 दिन हो गया उमला पेर आते रहे ना पड़ रहा और फिर भी हम लोग को लुकुंसी में इसमें टेम्पोरेरी इंटरिमली हम लोग वो पोस्ट दिया था उसमें भी आप लोग को झगड़ा करके ये कर रहा है अरे भाई आप लोग ये सब करने के बाद चोरी वगैरह ज्यादा हो रहेगा ये तो पता ही आप लोग की पता यू ऑल्सो नो दैट देन यू जस्ट सरेंडर योरसेल्फ आई कैन कंट्रोल माय पीपल you cannot control your people
So why wouldn't you control them there?
what you control them there unfortunately every kind of incident is happened. It doesn't mean that by knowingly every kind of incident, you, as a injustice, you don't know nothing.
I asked for them before reaching his area.
कुछ
I asked for them. You asked from them. You asked from them.
Listen, incident कुछ जानबूझ के होता है क्या? कोई भी किसी का tolerated. ऐसा क्यों होता है? हम लोग you also know that. From Molesana, how far are you from here?
I chased them. I chased them.
How far are you?
I chased them. So that's why I stopped them someday. But they don't follow my
By
rules.
knowingly you all drink such type of things.
No. You ask
How you cannot control your people? As a
You ask them.
You have the capacity to take over them.
You ask them. I obstruct them. Then you will run away. Hit and run away. Then what do you do?
You have to completely. You have to give advice to them.
I've already advised them.
How advise them? You cannot
That's
take
why
control to him,
That's why how many of them? See, you just
Otherwise, if
hundreds.
who will take the insurance? Who will take the responsibility?
You ask from his
Suppose incident happens, if incident occurs, who will take the responsibility? Who will take the responsibility? Who will take the case?
I informed all my higher authorities.
You as a IC Molesana or I'm as a IC of Lukunsi will take the risk. But you cannot control your own
So
people.
why you insulting me?
Why not?
Why you
You don't
insulting
have
me?
you don't have capable of taking in charge.
This depends upon
You
the
don't have
government.
capable of taking in charge of Molesana IC.
It depends upon the
You
government.
don't have capable. You don't have capable of taking in charge. You cannot control your own people.
Well.
How far you can cross this border? How far you can cross?
I chased
Have
them.
you realized this? Have you realized this? You just see left and right. Everyone you just towards it.
That's why
It is all from.
I asked them to go back. That's why I asked them.
Hey, nang lihat, kisah salah.